Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to AMP coin holders. This is the live update of the AMP coin, and in this video I'm talking about the future moves of the AMP coin. What will be the future move? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button right now for more news and updates videos. Now the live price of the AMP in the market is 0.069608 USD dollar. That is the right now price of the AMP coin. Other side, if we talk about the changes, so the last 1 hour changes is a negative, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the AMP coin is positive. So the latest situation is negative, but the previous yesterday, last 1 week changes occur in the AMP coin in the market is positive. So there is really good news for all of you that the changes is going positive. Anyways guys, what you think about AMP coin? Just tell me in the comment box, saying don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos. Now let me show you. Just look here. Wow, now guys, from yesterday the price start pumping, so that is the alert. It is a profit time. Now the latest, as I told you guys in the start of this month videos, that at the last of August the price will pump. At the last of August the price will pump. So now it is the last of August, so be alert. It is a profit time, and I hope guys that for a long time to the last of 31 August the price continue like that falls continue this kind of jumps. Please hold, don't decide to see. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.